Hola clase, hoy vamos a hablar sobre los verbos. We are going to learn how to conjugate the regular AR verbs, so any verb in Spanish that ends in AR. Before we begin conjugating and see how that will look like, we need to remember that there are subject pronouns in Spanish. So that is the equivalent of saying I, you, he, she, we. So we need to refresh ourselves because all verbs agree with a subject. So we're going to take a look at this chart just to refresh ourselves. And the red word is the Spanish subject pronoun, and the one in green to the left is the English translation. So I is yo, you is tú, and so on. We've already learned these, so this is just a practice. All right, next we need to learn what the endings are going to look like. In Spanish, when we are conjugating a verb, we take the last two letters off the verb. So in this case, all of our AR verbs end in AR. And we're going to remove the last two letters and we're going to add a new ending. So for yo, I'm going to knock off the AR and I'm going to add O. All right, so this is what the verb hablar looks like with all of our conjugations, and with vosotros it would be habláis. But take a look at the arrow that I'm pointing at right now. I have the verb yo hablo. My subject pronoun is yo, and I make it agree with hablo. Tú hablas. Él, ella, and usted habla. Ok, ahora vamos a practicar. Hay 5 verbos. There are 5 verbs that we need to conjugate. So everyone take a couple seconds to write this down and then we're going to go over the answers. Ok, estamos listos. We're ready. Las respuestas. Yo hablo, tú estudias, ella camina, nosotros buscamos y ellas andan. ¿Hay preguntas?